Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by choosing Google Colab for a quick online Jupyter experience. Sign into your Google account to save notebooks automatically in Google Drive. Open Colab. Research. Google. Com and click New Python 3 notebook to begin. Each notebook runs on a remote virtual machine with CPU or optional GPU access. Notebooks autosave in your drive roughly every few seconds while you work. This method avoids local setup and works in any modern browser. You can share notebooks with collaborators using drive permissions and links. Start by using code and text cells to organize your analysis and documentation. Click the play icon or press Shift-Enter to run a cell instantly. Create new cells with the plus code or plus text buttons in the toolbar. Install extra libraries with pip by prefixing commands with an exclamation mark. Access files by mounting Google Drive and using the path/content/drive/my-drive. Use pip install package name to add packages like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib quickly. Restart the runtime from the runtime menu if environments become inconsistent. Share your notebook by clicking Share and setting drive permissions for viewers or editors. Export notebooks to IPNB or PI from file or download as PDF for static reports. Enable hardware accelerators under runtime change runtime type to use GPU or TPU. Limit secret exposure by storing API keys in environment variables or Google Secret Manager. Terminate idle runtimes and review connected devices to avoid unintended charges and data leaks. Use version history in Drive to restore earlier notebook states when you need to recover work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.